So what's good, guys? Today I'm in my boy William's house.
Hi.
This is his custom mechanical keyboard. It's not bad. It's pretty trash. He actually had a black GSA 67, but I traded it for this Red Thunder trash and got scammed.
Oh my days.
This is the before sound test. But before we start, please go ahead and like and subscribe and smash like. Wait. Sheesh. Sheesh, okay.
What this?
Yeah, it's pretty bad. But that's okay, because today we will be upgrading his Trashy gamer keyboard into a Thucky custom mechanical keyboard. Okay, so yeah, you can't see our face, but like we're here. This is the unboxing.
Do it.
Okay. Alright, so this is the brand new white GMK 67.
That's clean.
Okay, it also comes with a USB-C cable, cord cable. No, wait, no. Okay. Shit. So yeah, your boy's a bit poor. Obviously, I want to bless my boy out, but like, I'm a bit broke, right? I don't have the money. So today we'll be only upgrading his bare bone. So we're gonna take off the decals because we gotta reuse them, yeah? Like we don't waste plastic, yeah? We reuse.
No, this guy just broke.
So how are these switches that the guy gave William are like bent, and like there's Gator box reds and there's Gator yellows and there's like Echo switches, like you know, yeah. But my boy really got scammed. Now we gotta remove all the switches.
Oh, half of them already came out.
But some of the pins are like completely broken, bro. Look at this, snapped off.
Filthy.
Filthy. Look how disgusting this keyboard is. Yo, look at that toolkit.
Oh.
Right, say goodbye to this. Say goodbye to this. Alright, you never see it again, ever again.
Good.
Put on the side. Alright, so this is your new keyboard.
Alright.
Your upgrade. Your new keyboard upgrade.
Keyboard upgrade.
You got the volume knob. Alright, you wanna open it up?
Open out the show.
Yeah. The special thing about this keyboard is you don't need to open the screws. So I'm showing. First you take out the knob. The knob. And this is how you open it. Oh, like hella fragile. You do not want to pull it off first. You should take these keyboards. Oh, thank God. The only thing I think needs modding is the tape mod. Modded the PCB. Okay. Okay. Nice. We're gonna try it first though. Can you get yes? Oh.
Oh, the RGB.
Yeah. Crazy RGB. Crazy RGB chat.
Chat.
You shouldn't probably. Bro, I think you need a whole new keycap set. Can tab function? Nope, tab does not function. Wow, this one's also like literally dead. It's butchered, so butchered. Whoa, other vertical, bro, vertical. These are ordered switches. Not every single one. Man, I wish I still have my Lego sets. So the keyboard is built. You have the honor to put on the final piece. Yeah, and then when you press it, it's mute.
Oh,
And
that's
then-
cool.
Dude, the knob is actually crazy, not gonna lie.
I'm super shy, but wait a minute while I make you mine,
Okay, so William, this is your brand new custom mechanical keyboard.
Thank you, thank you.
you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy.
It's unique. It's not shit, it's unique, alright? It's unique coloring. Look at this extra special blue pipe. I got one more thing for you. How'd you know? This is your special keycap.
Oh, what is? Oh, it's so cute.
Cinnamon roll, something from whatever that thing is. Yeah, you wanna put it on?
Right.
Sheesh. That goes hard, yeah? That goes hard?
That's cool.
So, what do you think? Do you like your new keyboard?
Yeah, it's very nice.
Is it better than your old one?
So much better.
Okay.
Of course, it's better.
Alright. Pull out the monkey tie right now. Wait, you're trolling. Ooh, okay. 125.
Oh my god, fat finger and everything.
Oh. Shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You wanna try?
Yeah, let me try. I will beat your record. I'll beat your record right now. Oh, your setup is clean, bro. Alright.
That's so slow.
Take that. Okay. I want 140.
140, alright.
you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy.
Okay, 100? 100?
Whatever, we take that, yeah.
Take that.
Right,
yeah,
this is the new keyboard.
Look at this guy trying to log into League. What a loser.
No, stop. Stop. Just. Wow, you have the whole thing set up. Same mouse.
Same mouse. It's the better mouse. Look at this kid.
What is this?
What is that?
Oh, shit, what's that? Wait, do I have the champion?
What is this kid?
Do I have it? Oh, I do, okay. Remember the combo I showed you like last year?
I don't
Right, a
remember
couple years ago?
anything.
You want to play OC? Oh my god, can I call you play OC?
Yeah, I can play also.
Huh?
Yeah.
Thank you. Your PC, bro. Look at this guy's PC, bro. That's not fair.
What?
I play it on the laptop, bro. I play
Yeah.
it on the laptop.
And that's why you're trash.
Wait, I had the skin. I forgot. I haven't played this champion.
Wait.
No, you have a lot open. This isn't fair, man. You have a PC, I don't. Okay.
What is this guy doing? It's my computer.
Your computer is kind of sick.
Keyboard?
Okay, let me just. Come on, you're Asian, you should be into League.
Bro, I have a life.
Sorry. I have the skin? I actually do not remember having the skin. I like the keyboard. Okay. This keyboard may be good.
Your mom's calling.
Oh. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.
This game sucks.
Yeah, just never play League of Legends, yeah? Catch you guys next time. Okay, wait, Robin? With Robin? Sheesh. That's $100. Pretty good.